Listen, it's not your fault that you're struggling in life. The reason that you're struggling in life is because when you were younger, you absorbed everything around you by your environment, by the things you were exposed to, your family, your friends, your coaches, the people in your life. And honestly, when they put that inside of you like a sponge, you soaked it up, right? And you got all this information about what to do the wrong way. So how do I know that people have the wrong programming? Because I was people. I've been in the position where I was following everything that everyone told me growing up, and it wasn't working. It wasn't leading me anywhere. Tell me, are you successful right now in any endeavor of your life? Listen, I've been successful in multiple endeavors. I've failed in multiple endeavors. But for one thing for sure I learned is that the old program is outdated and you need a new system. Now, my mentor always tells me success leaves clues. So let's talk about that. There's two things I want to talk about right now. One of them, Tony Robbins has said, but I'm going to say it in the way my mentor taught me. So, my mentor told me that there's two ways people actually move in life. Tony Robbins calls this push-pull motivation, but my mentor says it's something different. He says it very simply. A lot of times people have things that they're running from and things that they're running to. Only two things that move us, running from something and running to something, right? Running from something is you're avoiding it. You're fearful of it. You have dis-ease in your body when you feel it, when you're around it. You don't want to be around it, right? And so you run away from it. But the issue with that system is that when you get comfortable at a certain level, you're like, oh snap, I've gained enough distance. I can relax now. You fall back into the same pattern. You revert. You go back to your old ways. You stuck in the loop. To break out of that, you gotta do what the hyper successful people in this world do. They all do the same thing. They learn to get rid of that system. It's outdated. It's not a pull. It's not a push motivation, which is what Tony Robbins calls it, a push motivation. So my mentor calls it a running from something. Now, if you want to start having success in your life, where you don't fall back into the loop, you don't go back to your old ways, you have to start embedding the thing in your mind where it says, I'm running towards something I love, not something I fear. I'm running towards something I care about, not avoiding something I don't want to do anymore. So I'm bringing this up because I was just going through this, and it's not like you learn this information and you automatically adapt it for the rest of your life. No, it's a process. It took you years to get to the point you are today. The programs and the paradigms and the thinkings and the emotions and the feelings and the beliefs, all that stuff, it took years for you to build that up into who you are today. It's going to take time for you to break it away and build up the new one. Okay, so it doesn't happen instantly, but the identity switch does. And when the identity switch does, you can sustain yourself long term over a period of time and continue to grow in that direction, right? So running towards something is I love this, I care about this, I feel ease in my body. It might be challenging, but I feel ease. It's natural. I'm not forcing it. I'm not willpowering it. I'm getting to it because I love it. I know the end result. I know what to expect. I'm aiming here for a reason. I'm not avoiding that for a reason. When you avoid, you repeat at some point because you got distance. When you aim towards something and you get towards it, you're just closing the gap between you and it. You're just closing the gap. Over here, you're increasing the gap. You could once you increase the gap, it's gonna catch up to you. It's gonna catch back up. But when you're running towards it, you're closing the gap. The distance is smaller. Okay. So at the end of the day, there's two motivations that Tony Robbins calls it: push, pull. You want to find something that pulls you. My mentor calls it running from, running to. That way you can think about it: avoiding, engaging, fearing, loving. Dis-ease in your body, ease in your body. Difficulty, and you have to force yourself to do it. Challenging, and it's fun to engage with, to go after it. Choice is up to yours, man. As at the end of the day, I can't tell you what to do. You can make the choice for yourself. And every single day, there's going to be something that's going to push you and pull you. Learn to make the switch. It's going to make a drastic difference in your life. You're going to see major progress, major consistency, major discipline, and so much more happiness and fulfillment within yourself. Okay? I'm not BSing. This is actual facts. You want to change your life? This is one way to do it. But at the end of the day, you have to go from the real you to the ideal you, the conditioned you to the impressions you, the conscious you. the intentional you. It's up to you, man. It's up to you. No one else can do this for you. It's like a rock being up the hill. You gotta be the one to push it. It's your responsibility. It's your car stuck on the highway. No one's gonna come fix it for you until you start moving. Your life is the car. No one's gonna come fix your life until you start getting action with it. So what are you gonna do? Are you gonna follow HV the Life Coach for more information, more jewels like this? Or are you gonna be a bum and not follow through on yourself, not invest on yourself, not bet on yourself? Listen, I don't got time for that. So I'm just gonna keep making these things for those who are interested, those who want to change, those who want to evolve, just like me. It's not easy. It's not gonna happen like overnight. You're gonna grow. You're gonna change. You're gonna make mistakes. You're gonna become more of the person you always wanted to be. It's already within you. I'm just gonna ask the right questions and give you the right information that's gonna help you get that out of you. Okay? As always, stay blessed and stay beautiful. I'm H V the Life Coach. Peace and love.